Hey guys, so today I have swatches of the Safiya Holo Taco collaboration collection. This came out a couple of weeks ago, but it sold out really quickly, or I guess half the collection sold out really quickly. So I've kind of been sitting on this waiting for a restock, and they did restock today. So I'm throwing this together really quickly because I didn't have it done yet. Also, I'm sorry about the cuticle oil fingerprints all over the box in this footage. I lost my initial intro footage and I had to refilm it after I had already gotten my greasy little hands on everything. I don't know how long the restocked quantities will last because they went really quickly during the initial launch. So let's just get into it. This collection box that you see here has not been restocked, but the file, which sold out really quickly, and the polishes that sold out quickly have been restocked as of a couple of hours ago. So this is a 5-piece collection, and then there is also the limited edition glass file and these little loose back glitters that are available as well. So I will link the Holo Taco website down below where you guys can check these out. 5 polishes all together, and I will get into the swatches. I try to remember to show boxes if the polishes come in boxes, especially if they have any kind of limited edition or special packaging. So this is the box that these polishes come in. The first polish is called Spirit Fingers, and this is described as a cool gray jelly with a magenta red shimmer and a dash of scattered holographic. A little bit sheer on the first coat, but not terrible. The red shimmer that's in there stands out really well, and that scattered holographic, while it is a bit more subtle because it is very scattered, it still stands out nicely. Once that second coat was added, it built up much better, the red shimmer stood out more, and the holographic stood out better. The coverage in 2 coats was enough for me to not worry about doing a third coat, but I did still have a little bit of nail line showing. I had to look for it, but it was there. This is so pretty, and I like this so much more than I thought I would. So that is 2 coats of Spirit Fingers. The next polish is called Feeling Fiendish, and this is described as a medium warm purple mauve cream. Really good, smooth, level, even formula on this. Not quite a 1-coater, but very close. This easily covered in 2 coats, and it did dry just a little bit darker than it was when it was wet. So that is 2 coats of Feeling Fiendish. The next polish is called Me In Holo, and this is described as a berry lipstick shade in a crushed holographic formula. Great formula on this one as well. Very opaque, super strong holographic. All those little particles stand out really, really nicely. The second coat deepened the color and covered completely, and because this is a scattered holographic, not like a glitter, all those little holographic pieces dry smooth and they're not difficult to remove. So that is 2 coats of Me In Holo. The next polish is called Brucie, and this is described as a muted dark teal linear holographic. Good formula on this one, very opaque. I did struggle a little bit with a goofy brush. I've had poorly cut brushes from Holo Taco in the past, but it's been a while since I've had one that really affected the application of the polish. Now this was still totally fine to use. It wasn't impossible to use. It just, you could feel something was a little off. Makes the application kind of feel a little clumsy, if that makes sense. This still covered completely in 2 coats. It's a very, very dark teal, so it looks black from some angles and teal from others. So that is 2 coats of Brucie. And the last polish is called Bat Bitch, and this is described as a black pearlescent with delicate blue micro shimmer. This is a little more jelly based, so it's a little bit sheer on that first coat, but that does help that shimmer stand out really nicely. It is a more subtle shimmer, but you're definitely not going to miss it. This covered completely in 2 coats, and I really like this one a lot more than I thought I would too. That tiny, subtle blue shimmer just adds something really special to it. So that is 2 coats of Bat Bitch. So my favorite here is going to be Spirit Fingers. I got these, I think, the day before the launch. So by the time that it launched and this polish sold out, I had not swatched it yet. And I was kind of like, oh, that's the favorite. That's kind of surprising because I didn't really think I was going to like it that much. But then once I actually got it on my nails, it's really cool. I really like that red shimmer against the gray. And the addition of the holographic sparkle gives it something extra as well. I don't know. I just like this one a lot more than I thought I would. So that is the Holo Taco Safiya collaboration. Again, I will link the Holo Taco website down below where you guys can check these out. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I will talk to you later.